Looking to elevate your living spaces with beautifully crafted cabinets and stunning store furniture? Look no further than Dan's Woodworking, your go-to destination for top quality and exquisite woodworking creations. We understand that every space is unique, which is why we offer a wide range of customization options, from wood selection and finishes to styles and sizes. We can tailor-make your dream cabinets and store furniture that perfectly complement your decor. Whether you're revamping your kitchen, upgrading your bathroom storage, or furnishing your retail store, Dan's Woodworking has a diverse range of cabinets and store furniture to cater to your needs. From classic designs to contemporary marvels, we have something for everyone. Choose Dan's Woodworking for unparalleled craftsmanship, unique designs, and personalized service. Your dream cabinets and store furniture are just a step away. Call or visit us today.